Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here. In today's video, we're going to go over utilizing Wing Chun with boxing gloves and then put together a focus mitt drill to help you with recovery and punching combinations. But before we go there, I need you to click the bell to like and subscribe and hit the button to always so you'll be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your support and have a great day.
So in this short video, what I want to do is, I hear a lot of people, Wing Chun guys, where you can't fight with gloves on. You can fight with gloves on utilizing your Wing Chun, but a lot of mistake a lot of people make who are going to jump into the tournament circuit or jump into full contact. They really haven't trained with gloves all that often, and then they get in the ring and they try to hold their traditional guard. So if you're an amateur, you're going to be utilizing headgear. Or if not, you got your boxing gloves on. So Keith, if you take a traditional guard, not a boxing guard, a Wing Chun guard, if you take your guard up, if your hands are up, this is really going to impede your vision. So it's going to really be hard to pick things up. So when you have gloves on, one of the things we like to do is take our stance and bring it into a shorter guard and drop it down under the chin. So now he can still see what's coming at him. He still has the capability to cover anything in this area, but in traditional Wing Chun, when it comes to hand techniques, we're watching elbows. So you're going to take your guard and you're just going to draw it down a little bit. Now, if you would have headgear on and you can't see, what you need to do is tuck your chin so you'll be able to see off the top of the headgear. So when it comes to sparring with gloves, what you want to do is keep that guard and bring it down to a short guard, not a long guard, just basically for vision capabilities. And again, this is not the only school of thought. This is just my school of thought. This is what I use in the ring, and this is what I train my fighters to do. So here you can still see my elbows, and he can cover whatever's coming at him. He can still block and hit what's coming at him. He can still block and hit and see it. So the one thing I will tell you is if you're going to put gloves on, or if you're going to fight at least 3 months prior to your fight, get used to moving around with your gloves and headgear to train it so you don't get in the ring and all of a sudden it feels really foreign and you're trying to figure out how to hold your guard and where you need to look. So let's continue, and I believe focus mitt drills help a lot. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a rear hand pock and stick a 3-piece into it. So we're going to start, as most people, we're going to work in an orthodox boxing rule. So one of the things is, we stand orthodox. What a lot of guys mistake is they just throw the single and not realizing that there's always something coming back. So this is a real simple drill to start, just to get used to countermeasures. So we're going to work from a single to a double to a triple. So I'm going to line up with Keith orthodox. He's going to stick the jab, and straight away I'm going to shoot my jab back. He's going to cover with the rear hand pock and follow back with a single. You can set it up. He's going to stick the jab. I'm going to shoot this out, and he's going to give me a 2-piece. And then once again, he's going to stick the jab. I'm going to fire it back, and he's going to be 1, 2, and then he's going to follow up with a hook. Let's just play that a little bit. Okay, shoot the jab. Shoot the jab. Shoot the jab. Again, shoot the jab. Shoot the jab. Shoot the jab. Just starting to generate, getting some power to follow through. And just remember, there's always something else coming back at you. Again, one simple drill to tie in with working your gloves and feeling a little pressure.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.